Revealed. New secret method delivers unlimited free viral buyer traffic in any niche. In less than 90 seconds. On autopilot. 3 questions. Have you ever wanted to make an amazing living doing something you actually love? Do you ever feel like just quitting your job? Do you wish you could just have the freedom to do whatever you want? Then you're going to want to pay very close attention to this presentation. Hi, my name is John and I'm an affiliate and online marketer. If you've ever felt frustrated and like nothing seems to work out, I can relate. Because not so long ago I was in the exact same position as you. Before I discovered this secret method, I always struggled to get traffic and sales. I suspected the gurus knew something I didn't, but I didn't know for certain. I had this nagging feeling that I was being kept in the dark. But the media and all my friends always said how powerful online marketing is. Did you know that stats reveal affiliate marketing is estimated to be worth $12 billion globally? And that the affiliate marketing industry has grown 52% for the past 5 years? In a few minutes, I'm going to reveal my secret method. You're going to discover why this is the simplest way to stuff your account. Finally, I'll show you why my secret method will send you all the viral buyer traffic you'll ever need, how to lock in the lowest price possible. The time to create your life of freedom is now. Click the button below to get started and we'll see you on the inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike with Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses, and of course generally anything that will help you make money online. Today I have another amazing info product, what I call training course that will help you begin to make money online. This product is going live on the 17th of June 2022 at exactly 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the launch is going live, being put out there by the super affiliate John Newman and his partner Cynthia Benitez. And in a nutshell, this is an info product, a training course that is going to teach you how to secure viral buyers traffic to any offer of your choice and to any link of your choice. And this means that you will be able to make money online with free buyer traffic without any hassles or stress, but completely on autopilot. If such a product is what you would require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will give you access to the amazing bonuses that I have, of course, lined up for you. Currently, we are on the product training area, the members area of this info product training course by John Newman. And if you stick with me, I will show you the bonuses that I have lined up for you, and of course show you also the sales pages. Now, like I said, when you click that link up below in my description area, the first link, it will take you to my bonus page where you can grab a copy of this with this link, and of course any of the other light green links scattered all over my page, bonus page I mean. And of course you'll be able to have a copy of that for yourself, and when you do, it will take you to the sales page where you can use any of the similar links here like this one to check out on this. When you do, under your purchase history, you will definitely find a page that looks like what I'm going to show you now in a moment. A page that looks like this under your purchase history will give you access to 2 buttons. This button will give you access to this very training course, Outlast Rocket, and Rocket Outlast rather. And of course here you have this video button that gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I'm going to show you, very hot bonuses for that matter. And with that said, let us go ahead to find out what this product is all about. Now the Atlas, Rocket Atlas, will teach you how you can use other people's content to get unlimited viral buyer traffic in any niche using a secret method in an untapped social media site. And of course, this has to do with harnessing the social media site of some kind, which you are going to find out as a secret social media handle where you are going to try to take this very viral traffic from. Okay, so with that said, let us go ahead and review the pricing for this one. The front end price goes for $12.95, and it will give you access to this very members area where you will be able to get through the mindset check. Of course, start here, which is the orientation video where you watch, I guess, the welcome video, and this is exactly what that video is going to tell you. Now, with that said, you can always go through the training and all the things. We will come back to this in a very short moment, but for now, let us go ahead and review the prices. Front end, like I told you, goes for $12.95, and upgrade number 1 Rocket Atlas Pro version goes for $17, and this will give you the unlimited version of the front end, and of course, naturally, it's advisable to get a copy of that if you make up your mind to get this training. Training is very important because it trains you from scratch on how you can replicate the results the creators have got with this one, and of course do that for yourself. Upgrade number 2 will be Rocket Atlas done for you. It goes for $27. Upgrade number 3 will be Steal Our Traffic. It goes for $97, which is another crazy one. Upgrade number 4 Rocket Atlas Podrope with Precise Rights goes for $27. Upgrade number 5 Super Affiliate Method goes for $997, approximately $1,000, and this will help you join beta tester group for their coaching and mentoring program. Okay, that's about what you have, and here are the amazing bonuses, benefits you have with this one. Proven method of getting unlimited viral buyer traffic fast with no gimmicks that works right now and of course beyond, and it has 30-day money-back guarantee, of course. And here you have my bonuses. My first bonus, which is a premium bonus, is access to product vaults, which consists of 17 amazing bonuses. This is a bonus that is going to give you 17 bonuses. And of course, my bonus number 2 will give you 3 monetization strategies, which is going to teach you how to monetize and how to use 3 different strategies to do the monetization of probably your website or your YouTube channel or anything that needs monetization. This hack is going to teach you how to do that. And here you have my bonus number 3 would be another premium bonus, which is daily profit success. This is a crazy information that you are going to get with this that will guarantee daily profit success for you. And bonus number 4 will be the commission toolbox, which is over 1,000 different tools and sources that you can definitely benefit from, as long as driving traffic and so many other things is concerned. This is going to help you do that. And my bonus number 5 will be how to rank any site on page 1 on Google, and this is a crazy one. Okay, and like I told you before, if you click any of these links, it will take you to the sales page where you use any of the links there to check out on this. When you do, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this with 2 buttons. This one gives you access to Rocket Atlas, and here you have access affiliate bonus link, which is the bonuses that I have just shown you. And of course, if you have any issues, this is the email address that you can use to contact me. And here are all the bonuses you have from me. And I guess all the vendor bonuses are going to be yours, of course, too. So with that said, let us actually take a look at the members area. Here you have the mentoring, like I told you before, the overview. You create a Pinterest business account. So basically, this very training is on how to use this very Pinterest social media activities and handle to actually drive traffic. So I am currently going through promotions on Pinterest, and I know the benefits. It's one of the best social media platforms that you can use to get free buyer traffic, and so I know of that. And with this confirmation in the members area, I can assure you that it will be one that you will like to. One thing I like about Paul Newman, I did buy his product White Velocity, and it helped me a lot in my YouTube optimization. All his training are always good. I can assure you of that because I have, I think, 2 of his products, which are basically info products like this one. So you can always make use of this. And here you have new Pinterest feature revealed, finding content for our niche, customizing and branding our content, uploading our idea pin, how to monetize your Pinterest traffic, and of course case study and conclusion. This is the main training that this very product is all about. And here you have module 4, which means conclusion and of course the next steps. And with that, you have vendor bonuses for low which is going to give you access to that on this very link. Now, module number 6 will be unannounced bonuses. Okay. Module number 7, resources and upgrades. So it's a basic training course that will teach you from scratch how to drive free viral traffic from Pinterest to any offer of your choice, okay, using pins to actually get traffic. So it's a crazy one and a very good one at that. And with that said, let us take a look at the very sales page and see if we can scroll to check out the very page in details, which definitely I expect you to do at your convenience. But now let us officially look at the possible vendor bonuses that we have from John Newman and Cynthia Benitez on this very product, Rocket Ladders, which is a basic training course that is going to teach you how to make money driving traffic from Pinterest platform. Okay, so it's a good one. It's a very good one. Now I am going to have to find those bonuses if they are here, otherwise you will find them, like I've shown you already, on the very members area that we just came out from. Okay, so I think that's where you get the vendor bonuses. Okay, so with that said, we will definitely find a way to call it shots on this one. Yeah, this is bonus number 2 from the vendor, bonus number 2, which is you are absolutely free. And of course, I wouldn't know what that is all about. I think he has about bonus number 1, bonus number 2, and I guess those 2 bonuses are from the vendor, maybe more on the members area. But that's about how far we can go as long as the sales page is concerned. And with that said, let us now come to the very end of this info product review called Rocket Atlas. And of course, if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And of course, I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me from here. It's goodbye, guys.